Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you.
Look at these beautiful rub-on transfers that I found at the Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. I thought we could decorate one of these galvanized metal tulips with those because, sometimes these things can be a little hard to decorate. I also found a great thrift flip sign that we're going to get used there from the Goodwill. And I really like that bluish green color. I thought it looked really coastal and it almost kind of has a sunshine pattern on it. It's got like a great hanger on the back. I like to pick these up at half price days at my Goodwill store. So this was like $1.50, but you can use whatever you've got. I just really dig in the color on that. I thought that would look really pretty for spring. Now it does have like a little clip on it to like hang something. Don't need that on there. So just removing that, the screw on that with a screwdriver. I also wanted to distress it just a little bit, kind of clean it up, but to kind of make it look more coastal. And my little tulip fits perfectly on there. Now, this design is so pretty for spring. Look, it's got all the words on there, the flowers, butterflies, bicycles. So cute. And I thought this would be perfect to decorate this. So I'm just kind of cutting it down to size. And I'm just going to peel off the back and stick it to the galvanized metal tulip. Then I am just going to rub it on. I started with just a scraper, just a little scraper like from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and scrape that on, and look how beautiful that is. What a great way to decorate the galvanized metal pieces from the Dollar Tree. And oh, I think it looks so pretty for spring. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach that with hot glue. I know that they say you shouldn't hot glue the metal pieces, but I usually don't have any problems as long as I work quickly with my high temp hot glue gun. And I'm totally digging it. I think that looks really cute. I did want to kind of distress that background a little bit more. I kind of should have done that before I like glued the tulip down, but that's okay. I'm doing it now. And that's all there is to it. I think this is so pretty for spring. What do you guys think about this little tulip? I think that design on there is just so pretty. Love it. Love the little bicycle on there too.
I love that rub on. I think it's just so beautiful.